Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to record only a specific window in OBS Studio. Perfect for recording just a browser, app, or soft without showing your entire screen. So this method is great for privacy, productivity, and focused content creation. So first step is to launch OBS Studio on your computer, and if this is your first time, feel free to skip the auto configuration wizard. Next is to add a new source. So here onto the bottom we have sources. Click onto this plus icon and select Windows Capture. Then right after, you could go ahead and try to name your source in here. So for example, if you want to just view your Chrome, you could use Chrome window here or PowerPoint or anything. So for this one, we're just gonna name this main screen since I don't have any tabs open in. I'm just gonna use my main screen in here, which is this one you're currently seeing now, and we're gonna click on OK. Then right after, so there would be a pop-up in here. So in the drop-down list here under Windows, you need to select a window to capture. So as you can see, I have my Microsoft Edge open in here, a File Explorer, and my mouse highlighter. So we could choose mouse highlighter in here. So you'll just have to click on OK, and you could go ahead and try to resize it here. So let's try another tab. Hold on. Let's try to remove this. And let's try to add another. I'm gonna open another tab here. Wait. So we'll do again the following steps. Plus icon, Windows Capture. And this time I'll just gonna leave it as it is. And I have already opened another Edge website in here. So we're gonna use this. And click on OK. So as you can see, you should be able to see something like this. So I'm gonna go ahead, try to make this bigger. And over here, you could adjust it as per your liking. So you could also try to put this onto the middle, just like that. And once you're satisfied with this one, you could go ahead and try to start recording. So we have start streaming and start recording here onto the right side under controls. And feel free to click onto that. And if you want to stop it, you should be able to see also the option to stop here onto the start recording. So your video will be saved to the location you set in your settings output recording path. And that is how easy it is to record just one window in OBS Studio. Whether you're making software tutorials, recording Zoom sessions, or sharing app demos, this method keeps your recording clean and focused. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Also, check out the link in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you to our next videos.